In this lesson, we will discuss question number 3 of exercise 3.7. And question we have, find the area below the curve y is equal to 3 into under root x and above the x-axis between x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 4. Right? The question seems to be difficult, but it is very easy. First, I will prove it. I will show you how to solve it mathematically, and then I will show you with the help of graph in order to give you the concept. What is the meaning of below the curve and above the x-axis? So we will start the question. Area is represented by A. Limit x is equal to A to x is equal to B. This A and B represents these limits. Keep in mind that always you have to write down lower limit here and upper limit, and area we have to calculate y into dx. So here we are going to put the values. The lower limit is 1, upper limit is 4. Instead of y we have 3 under root x into dx. So see, 3 is constant. We can take out from the integral sign. X is equal to 1 limit to x is equal to 4, and under root x we can write down x to the power 1 over 2 into dx. Right? Why I wrote like this? Because we can use the power rule here in order to integrate it. So power rule is whatever is the power, you have to add 1 and you have to divide it by with the new power, which is 1 over 2 plus 1, and we have a limit x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 4. So here we will simplify it. See, these are the fractions. When we add this fraction, it will be x raised to power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Limit x is equal to 1, so x is equal to 4. And see, this one we can write down 3 multiplied by 2, which will be 6 over 3. And here we have x raised to power 3 over 2, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 limit to x is equal to 4. So this 3 will cancel this. We have only 2 left here, and then x raised to power 3 over 2, x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 4. In the next step, we are going to apply the limit. You have to continue your question. I'm writing here because I do not have a room. So see, instead of x, you have to write down 4. This is the upper limit, and its power is 3 over 2 minus lower limit power is 3 over 2. So see, whatever is the power of 1, it will remains the same, but this 2 we can write down 2 raised to power 2, right? Because it will be again 2 times 4, and its power is 3 over 2. So this 2 will cancel this. We have only 2 raised to power 3 minus 1, and 2 raised to power 3 means 8. It does not mean that 3 2 times 6. It means you have 2 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8. So 2 7 14 unit square. Whatever is the unit, you have to write down here. So this is your answer. This one is the mathematically proof. Now we are going to prove with the help of the graph, so you can see the meaning below the curve and above the x-axis. So see, our curve is y is equal to 3 into under root x. Here suppose I say x is equal to 0. So put 0 in this equation, 3 under root 0. So anything multiplied by 0, 0. So the coordinates are 0 and 0. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to also 0. X is equal to 1. So see, in the last questions, I was putting the values x is equal to minus 3, minus 2. Why I am not writing? I have started here from 0. Why not from minus 1, minus 2? Because see, x is in the under root. If I will write down x is equal to minus 1, our answer will be imaginary. Iota will come. We can make the graph, but it will be in engineering side. This one is for just for FSE. So 3 under root 1. So 1 will remains the same. Our point will be 1 and 3. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. And keep in mind, always you have to write down the x coordinate first. X is equal to 2 now. So it will be 2. So under root 2 is equal to 1.41. Multiply these two. So we will get, when x is equal to 2, value of y is 4.23. Now put x is equal to 3 in this, and under root 3, the value of under root 3 is 1.73. You can find out with the help of calculator. Write 3 and under root. You will get this. Multiply. So we will get, when x is equal to 3, multiply these two, we will get 5.19. X is equal to 4. So see, it is very easy. The square root of 4 is 2. So when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 6. X is equal to 5, right? If you want, you can also, okay. So 5, and when multiply it, when x is equal to 5, you will get 6.69. Similarly, if you want, you can find out 6 and solve it, right? So these points we have to draw on the graph. First is 0, 0, then 1, 3. So see, 0, 0 is here. I already have made this for you. So see, 1, when x coordinate is 1, y is 3, we will get this point. When x is equal to 2, we have 4.23. Similarly, next point, see, you have to follow these coordinates. So when we will join these coordinates, we will get this line. Now see, find the area below the curve. So this area is below the curve. This is our curve. And above the x-axis, this is above the x-axis. But we have to use these limits between x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. Sorry. So this one is 1, right? And this one is 4. So this area, you have to find out this area, which we prove that it is equal to 14 unit square. Mathematically, we have proved it. So actually this area below the curve above the x-axis, this area you have to find out. So I hope the question is clear now. You have to practice it. If any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.